Welcome to the Technology Classroom. I'm your host today. My name's Chet Davis, also known as your Technology Tutor. Up in the classroom today, the topic for Tech 101, cables and connectors. You know, we have so many different kinds of electronic devices we use, whether it's at work, at school, at home, at play, from computers to smartphones to tablets and pads, to home entertainment systems, whether you've got an Apple TV or a Roku or a Panasonic or a smart TV. Whatever you've got going on, oftentimes we need to interconnect these devices to display or to transfer data, information from one device to another. I find a lot of my friends and colleagues are confused by the myriad of cables and connectors, adapters that you have to use to make this happen. That's why I'm here with this class. We're going to learn all about the different kinds of cables and connectors, at least the most common ones, the practical ones that make most sense to you at your home or your office. We're going to cover a variety of information ranging from the concepts of cables and connectors, learning about the difference between plugs and jacks, understanding what a video file is compared to a video stream. Very important, by the way, if you're going to be purchasing a new video camera. Take a look at the most common audio adapters in the phone family, to the RCA phono connectors, understanding the FireWire connectors, which one of the three will work right for your device. Understand how to connect different components to different monitors, whether it's HDMI or DVI, DisplayPort or Mini DisplayPort, VGA or SCART, which is used in Europe and we don't see too often in North America, but very important if you're working with components that are manufactured on the continent. We'll learn about different kinds of adapters, how you configure different equipment to work with a different port or jack or connector or plug, from the cabled adapters to the barrel adapters. You'll have a solid understanding of that. And if you're modifying, if you're working with different audio components, it's important to have a basic grasp of the 4 different audio levels, and I provide that here. Really, the gist of this class is how you take different cables and connectors like these and understand how you fit them in, where you fit them in, to something like this. Chet Davis, your technology tutor, saying, I hope you join me inside the classroom for this Tech 101 presentation as we learn all about cables and connectors.